Zippy, Leo, Maya, Professor Paws, and I are going to learn about good habits and bad habits today. Come join us.
Brushing our teeth every morning is a great habit that keeps our smiles bright and healthy while removing all the tiny germs.
We must always wash our hands with soap before eating to stay strong and prevent ourselves from getting sick or feeling weak. Splash!
Eating juicy fruits like apples is a good habit, while eating too many sugary candies is a bad habit for our bodies.
Sitting too close to the screen for a long time is a bad habit that can hurt our eyes and vision today. Beep!
Cleaning up our toys after playtime is a responsible habit that keeps our room organized and safe for everyone to walk around. Cleaning up our toys. Biting your nails is a bad habit because it can transfer germs to your mouth and make your fingers feel very sore. Going to bed early is a great habit that helps our brain rest and gives us lots of energy for tomorrow morning.
Practicing good habits makes us happy and healthy children. Friends, please subscribe and ring the bell icon. See you soon, everyone.